Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to see one important topic of cybersecurity module 1, that is stenography. Okay, let us see what it is. In these slides we are covering what is stenography, difference between steganography and cryptography, digital steganography, application of steganography. Stenography in the sense, Stegan in the sense covered secret, means we have studied previously what is public key cryptography and what is symmetric key cryptography and what is asymmetric key cryptography. In asymmetric key cryptography, you send mail to your friend and that is confidential, and you are having his public key and you are use your own private key to encrypt the message, and with your public key the receiver read the message. So in that case cryptography was used. Also we have seen in symmetric key cryptography only single key is used to send the data from sender to receiver. Here we are seeing what is steganography. So in that, stegan in the sense covered secret, graphy in the sense writing, cover secret, writing. Okay, so the information that is covered or secret, right, that information is graphy. Means you might have studied in cryptography, when you type username and password, that is secret, that is best example of cryptography, because you don't see the password. You can see the username but you don't see the password. Here the information is hidden in the image, not in the chipper text. Plain text into chipper text means the text which is not readable, and again at the receiver side it is decrypt the message. Encryption, decryption, we have seen that previously. This is advanced technique hiding information in the network. In cryptography we are encoding the whole information, but in steganography we are combining the information to hide the particular information. Now difference between cryptography and steganography. In cryptography whole public will know about secret data, that is secret data in the network. Now consider your boss is sending mail to you today, okay, and if the data is accessed by anybody, intruder or hacker, so whole information he can know, each and everything information. In steganography only sender and receiver will know about the steganography. This is not public, no mediator, means if mediator is there still he cannot understand what is the message, because message is hidden in the image. I will show you one program with the help of which I will try to explain you steganography. There is no public mediator will know what actual information. In cryptography we are hiding only the content, but in steganography hiding whole content as well as message. Remember that in cryptography we are hiding only the message, but in steganography we are hiding whole content as well as message, because everything is hidden inside the image. Cryptography speed is low, obviously. Steganography speed is high. Here receiver decodes information and get, it is called crypt analysis, means encryption, decryption, and the receiver side it is called crypt analysis. Here it is the art and science to detect the secret information, but in a positive manner. Now in steganography we can combine information in steganography in a text, image, video, audio. Nowadays steganography is called digital steganography. In text there are two methods in which steganography is used. It is called digital steganography. It is used in text, images, video and audio. We will consider text, line shifting and word shift coding. Okay, now we will see that in line shifting, basically shifting the lines or words vertically, encoded vertically to hide the particular original message. In line shifting, the word are encoded vertically to hide the particular original message. In word shifting coding, we are shifting in word shifting coding, we are shifting the words horizontally. In word shift coding, we are shifting the word horizontally. In line shift coding, we are shifting the word vertically. In this way, we can combine whatever information you are having to original document using text steganography. So, in images there are pixel, and when we shift pixel, suppose there are 9 pixel, we can shift 3 pixel to hide the original data. So in that sense, the video and audio using the phase shift method. Application of steganography. It in confidential communication of network, in media database, where huge amount of data stored in database. Data is important to all of you. You can secret data with secret data words. Now we will see advantages of steganography. It is very difficult to detect message. It is faster because within few seconds we can compose the original data. Provide better security, LAN, MAN. We have seen this in the module 1 first chapter. And WAN, LAN means local area network, metropolitan area network, and WAN means wide area network, means steganography used in the networking. Okay, now we transport data session layer, presentation layer. Steganography is basically applied in transport layer. It is applied as a transport layer of the OSI model. We have seen the OSI model. When we use steganography in network voice over IP, we can hide our message in network communication. Okay, so that is all about the steganography. Now we will see a program with the help of which you will understand what is steganography. Now here it is asking to select the image. Now I am selecting the image from PNG, Sachin PNG. This image is there, and write the text here. Sachin is a master blaster player. He is a best batsman in. Now here I am sending the secret information with the help of image as Sachin. Now I will then encode. So encryption successful. Now what I will do, here start program, then here Sachin is a master batsman player. He is a best batsman in the world. Okay, so that is, or means I am encrypting and decrypting image. Instead of I am using it cryptography, I am using steganography. So that is all about the steganography. Thank you.